the new car. Today the Woof Wolves go to the park, but trouble seemed to follow them from the very morning.
Looks like this is it.
What happened?
Our poor car broke down.
Can we fix it somehow?
Nope, I'm afraid not.
Well, then we should probably buy a new one.
Yeah! Yay!
Okay then, let's get ourselves a new car.
Great!
Woof woof, hey!
Holiday! But what about our old car?
Don't worry, we will recycle it.
What's that?
It's when they take the old car apart and then melt its parts to make a new, modern, eco-friendly one.
Whoa! Oh wow! So many cars! Great! Let's see! Look! Let's buy this one! It's so bright and shiny and beautiful! Are you kidding? Dad doesn't want this car! It's girly! But I want it so badly! It's a dream! Wow! Look here! It's so cool! Let's buy this one!
Oh, whoopsie. Oh no. Oh my, we should buy this car. It's nice and pretty. Don't you agree? I would sure like to try it out myself. This is nice.
I know! This one here is a win-win! This car is a dream!
How are we supposed to pick the right one? Yeah, we all like different cars.
I know! Maybe Mr. Salesman can help us out.
I'll go find him. Hello, sir.
Good day, sir.
Our family wants to buy a car, but we can find the right one. Can you help?
I think I know what you need. Follow me. This car is great! How do you like it, Sam?
Oh, I love it. Guys,
Yay!
Good! Let's get this one then.
This car is so cool. It's so good we picked this one.
yes, kids. How about we take a little trip sometime soon?
I'm in.
Woof woof, hey!
Lovely day.
Home not alone. Today is a special day for Woof Woofs. Mom and Dad go to see the play with Mom's music in it. Pickle and Brush will stay at home with Grandpa and Grandma. This is going to be one fine evening. Pickle, Brush, me and Dad go to see a play tonight. And you stay with Grandpa and Grandma.
Great! Will Grandpa tell us a bedtime story?
Of course.
And will you kiss us goodnight?
I'll kiss you when you're asleep.
Why can't we see that play?
Because you can only see plays for kids. We do it some other time. This play is for grown-ups only.
By the way, Grandpa and Grandma will get you fresh milk
Woohoo!
so you can make yourselves honey milkshakes.
That's so cool. We'll make you some too. Woof woof, hey!
Loud.
Put the milk in the cooler deck and clothe the Fleet family. And what about honey? Should we take it?
Don't worry, Granny. Let's get going. We can't be late. There's little gas left in the car, so we'll get some on the way. I never understood those ties. So many shapes, so many forms. How am I supposed to pick the right one?
Come on, Dad. Mom always said that fashion repeats itself. Just pick whichever you like most. Whoa, this one looks like my bib. And this one looks like my ribbons. Whoa, hold on, Dad. There is a butterfly on your neck. I'll go get his coat. Don't worry, won't go anywhere. It's not a real butterfly. It's a kind of tie. It goes pow chow.
Yes? Hello? Oh dear. Yes, sure. I'll be right away. Kids, they'll stay here alone for a while. Not a problem. Okay, I'll be in a jiffy.
Hey, what happened?
Grandpa ran out of gas. They got stuck. And now we can't go to the theater. I have to drive up to get them some gasoline.
Dad, and what about us?
Good question. Can you guys stay here alone for half an hour?
Of course we can.
I'll be right back.
Don't worry, Dad. We'll behave. Oh, yeah. Catch it. Oh, Mommy.
No way. This is a bad idea.
Should we go all together?
Good thinking, Bagel. Hop on in.
Hooray! Hello, Granny. Hello, Grandpa. Thank God you're here. I was worried the milk would go bad. Hello! We missed you so much.
My fault. Should be more careful next time. That's fine. Okay. Ready, Freddies?
And I'll be the first. Oh, it was really busy night.
Good thing you were right on time for the play.
Oh, yes. How was the play?
It was great. Mommy's song was a hit.
And our daddy looked gorgeous in his bow tie. How were the kids? Were they nice?
They were great. We had fun and then they went to sleep right away. It was a wonderful eve.
Oh, yes. You don't get bored around the woof woofs, you don't.
Lovely cookies. What a lovely morning. Both kids woke up and thought what interesting things they could do.
Oh, someone came. Who's that? Mom and Gran said they'd come late today. But first of all, look who's there. I know that. Hold on. It's some lady. Let's get that. Okay. Oh, good morning. I'm your new neighbor. My name is Alice. Would you like some homemade cookies?
Good day, Alice. Thank you very much. We'll have some right away.
Tasty cookies. Mom and Gran know how to make cookies too.
Yes, every single day.
Hey, I know. Let's make some surprise cookies for Mom and Gran.
How do we do that? We don't know how.
Good idea, Bagel. I think I know a little bit. At least we can try and see what we can do. And who's gonna turn on the oven? Mom says we can't come near it.
Okay, I'll turn it on. And you two get all the ingredients.
Hurry! Yes!
And I'll try to find the recipe online.
Okay, let's see. I think we have flour. Okay, Daddy, we have some flowers. Olive oil and butter. Olive something, doesn't matter. Sugar, vanilla, honey. Sugar, vanilla, money. Oh, what are you talking about, Bagel? Tell Dad we have pumpkin mash. We can make pumpkin cookies with honey. Scratch pumpkin cookies. Granny style. Yeah, she's gonna love it.
Homemade pumpkin cookies with honey. No, not that. Nope. Not that. Found it! Coming right up.
We found it, Brush. But Dad said he needs to print it first. Yuck! It's so sticky.
Wow, this whole cooking business is so interesting.
Nuh-uh, I'm really bad in this. But I'm much better in eating cookies. Come on, think of it as a game. Like when you get experience and all of that. You're gonna love it. Oh, really? And what if I make a car? Or a plane? Sure. But try making something small though. Like a fishy. Or sunflower. Look what I got. Oh, I know. I'll make a bird.
And I'll make a smartphone.
Oh, that's so cool.
Got all we need.
Oh, I wish we took some sandwiches. I'm so hungry.
And I wouldn't mind some cookies with tea. Oh, we should make some with bagel and Brush when we get back home. Oh, I can't wait to see their reactions. Here they are.
Hey there, fam. Tea is ready.
We made home pumpkin cookies. Yeah, with flowers and honey.
Really? All by yourself? And who turned on the oven?
Daddy did. And he also found cookie recipe online. Oh boy, what's better than cookies with tea? That's a great surprise.
Woof, woof, hey.
Now